I wanted to share a bullet journaling tip called the Dutch door. If you want to know what products we're using, you can find the links for them in the description below. A Dutch door is a creative layout technique that requires cutting a portion of a page to create a door-like opening so you can see the page behind it. This allows you to fold back the cut section, revealing information from other parts of your pages and creating additional space for notes, tasks, artwork, whatever it is that you are putting in your bullet journal, and just adds another layer of interactiveness and creative functionality to your planning process. Here are some sample ones that I created just to give you a sense of what you can do with a Dutch door. For this spread, I took the cutout on the top page and I traced it onto the bottom page, and I filled everything in that was covered so that when you open your Dutch door, you have a really fun, dramatic reveal of what's underneath. For this spread, I did something a little bit different. Can you spot what we did here? If you guessed trimmed horizontally across the top, you were right. So in this example, we've got a spread for March, and I cut the center page to create additional space for all of our tasks, projects, calendar that can just sit in between so I could fluidly move between weeks in a single month. Again, I'm going to link some of the products that I'm using, but my go-to favorite items are the Tombow Dual Brush Pen. We carry these in our store. Mild liner highlighters are great. Obviously, I always keep a pencil on hand. I love the Fudenosuke brush pen. It's one of my favorites. And I like using these Le Pen pigments because you can get them in lots of different colors. They're super fun to write with. And of course, to trim my pages for the Dutch door, I just used an X-Acto knife. Give us a follow at Bobo Design Studio to learn more.